Hello, darling.
Hi, Aunt Karen.
Are you there?
I'm just really tired.
Darling, you have got to get more sleep. This sleep deprivation is just not good for you.
The baby just doesn't sleep. I just feel like a zombie.
The truth is, being a mombie or being sleep deprived is not normal. It's not healthy and it's not good for anyone. Being sleep deprived is going to affect you in so many ways. So let's dive deeper into the effects of sleep deprivation on a mother. Hey guys, I'm Missy, your pediatric sleep coach and potty training consultant. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you get notified every time I put out a new video. I love sharing tips and tricks about sleep training and also potty training, so make sure that you join along in this journey with me. There's this crazy idea out there that being sleep deprived is some sort of badge of honor in motherhood, and I am here to debunk this myth and tell everybody that it is not normal to be sleep deprived. I don't know why the internet normalizes this type of motherhood, but it is all over the place, from t-shirts and coffee mugs and bumper stickers and all the things along the way, even including internet memes. It has become normal to be a mombie. That is a mom zombie. And it is not cool. You need your sleep just as much as your baby does. Today, we are going to talk about my top 5 reasons why sleep deprivation is affecting you more than you know. You're so funny, babe. Okay, why don't you just back off? Don't even talk to me right now. Reason number 1 we all know and love are your mood swings. I don't even want to talk about this too loudly because my husband's gonna be like, hell yeah, mood swings. But 9 times out of 10, or maybe I should say 10 times out of 10, when we are tired and exhausted, we are moodier. We all know it. So having more sleep and more rest is going to help you have a better mood, and you will even have more patience throughout the day. I have noticed so many moms telling me that they are at their breaking point and that they have no patience with their children and their spouses and their jobs because they're exhausted. Reason number 2 is memory loss. When you are more exhausted and tired, you have a higher chance of having that brain fog where you just can't remember simple things. Like, where did I put my glasses? Where are my keys? Where's my pencil? When it's probably in your hair somewhere. But having more sleep is going to help increase your memory. Sort of on the same lines, but reason number 3 why you need more sleep is because when you are exhausted, you have difficulty learning. And this is actually something that is consistent from birth all the way up through adulthood. The more rested you are, the more your brain is rested and ready to take in information and retain that information. But when you are completely exhausted and sleep deprived, you are going to have a much harder time remembering and retaining information. Let's even talk about college students who are cramming for an exam. They may remember that material for the actual exam, but even days or weeks later, they did not retain any of that information because their brain was not rested and able to really remember that information. So reason number 4 why you need more sleep is because when you have a lack of sleep, your immune system is weakened. You need to make sure that you are getting enough sleep and taking your vitamin C, especially that we are entering cold and flu season and hello coronavirus, but make sure that you are getting as much sleep as possible to fight off those germs. Reason number 5 why you need some sleep kind of makes me giggle a little bit because I just imagine myself being totally exhausted and being like, I'm so tired, I just want to eat. But a lot of times when you are tired, you tend to snack more, and that can lead to obesity. So actually getting more sleep is going to help you maintain a proper weight, especially as you age and get older and your metabolism may be slowing down. Getting more sleep is going to help keep your metabolism up where it was and will help you curb those cravings, especially those late night cravings, because I know a lot of us moms tend to eat more at night after our kids have gone to bed and we have a chance to finally sit down and relax, as long as your child is actually falling asleep independently. But that wind down time at night is so important for us moms, and it would be better for us to be getting more sleep so that we are not giving into those late night cravings. And now is the part of the video where everybody should listen to what I have to say about sleep training and why you should hire me as your sleep consultant. La 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 la. If you are sleep deprived for the sole reason that your child is not sleeping, this is where I come in. I would love to work with you one-on-one or in a virtual group program training, or even in your home. I have so many different programs for every different person out there, so there's really no excuse to not be getting enough sleep. If your child is relying on sleep prop associations, such as nursing to sleep, rocking to sleep, bouncing to sleep, swaying to sleep, any of those factors that you have to physically help your child fall asleep, then you need to sleep train your baby so that you can get more sleep and not be sleep deprived anymore. When you work with me, I am doing a full assessment of your entire sleep situation, and I am writing you a customized plan if we are doing a one-on-one package. If you are doing my group training program, you are getting my group sleep training plan that everyone is following, and you're going about this at the same exact time. There is no reason why everybody should not be getting more sleep. Seriously, sleep is life, and everybody needs more sleep. I mean, honestly, like I get 7 to 8 hours of sleep at night. Sometimes on the weekend, I get 9 hours of sleep, and I feel like I could still use more. So if you really want help getting your child to sleep more so that you can sleep more, then you should definitely get in touch with me or tap into some of my free resources. If you click the link in the description box down below, I have a free baby sleep guide with 4 proven tips to help your baby sleep more soundly through the night. I also have tons of videos on this YouTube channel that you can binge at your own pleasure not when you should be sleeping, but maybe when your child goes to bed at night. Binge on my channel and get all of the free information. And if you're still struggling, send me an email, missy@slumberandbloom.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click the bell so you get notified whenever I put out a new video, and I will see you next time. Bye! Ugh, great, here we go with me stuttering. Why is this shutter? This shutter's not even, should I get closer? Squeezy, cleany, squeaky, cleany. Why is my phone ringing? Seriously, Aunt Karen, are you calling me right now? I'm gonna zombie you in the fridge. Ready for this? Is there ever a good angle to be a zombie? One day I'll figure out camera angles. I hope that was good. Aunt Karen, I just want to talk to my niece, and she's just so tired that she just can't even hang. Zombie.